guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently March 14th. It's currently 3:49 in the afternoon. Now I gotta get my day ready. I got this kitchen I need to clean because it is dirty. I got so much laundry, like so much. I think I have like 4 big piles of laundry I have to do today. And yeah, and I gotta do a workout. Guys, that's pretty much my day. Aiden is sleeping. He's gonna wake up in a couple of minutes, so I need to get this kitchen clean because when he wakes up, he starts screaming and I have to stop what I'm doing to go to him. So I'm gonna fast track, like I gotta chop. So I need to stop talking and let's go. It's so nasty outside and cold. Oh my god. Really? Who puts the broom outside? It's cold. I need to get out before somebody try to get this coronavirus.
Coronavirus is here. Where is your face mask? If you have the face mask, you die. Coronavirus is here. Coronavirus is here. Coronavirus is here. Where is your face mask?
Hi, stinky butt. Hi, stinky butt. Hi, stinky butt. So, update. Got the kitchen clean, as you can see. Baby Aiden was slowly waking up. Now he's eating. So, my next thing on my list is laundry and then my workout. But yeah. currently like 8:56 p.m. It's getting dark outside. It's pouring rain in. So I'm tired. It's been a long day. Got the kitchen clean, did the laundry, did my mini workout. So now it's a good time to take a nap. So yeah, Aiden's tired, I'm tired, and we're about to I'm gonna end it here. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment below if you liked it. Any type of other video suggestions, comment below. Make sure you turn notifications so you know if my next videos out. Make sure you subscribe if you're not, and like this video. Love you guys, and see you next time.